Hey, today I will show you how to fix YouTube video captions not working. So, first, make sure that captions are turned on. Simply open the YouTube application, then simply open any video and click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Now, once you click the settings gear icon, you will see these options where you're going to simply click on the one that says captions. And here, you'll have to make sure that the caption that says auto-generated is turned on. Now, if you want your captions in another language, you can simply choose that specific language if you want. Also, you can make sure that this button is turned on, that is CC button at the top. You also have to check if the video has captions available. Not all videos have captions. So, for example, if I open this video and if I don't see the CC button, there won't be any caption available for this video. So, if no language appears, that means the creator may not have added them and auto captions may not be generated yet. Now, step 4 is refreshing or restarting the app. So, if captions suddenly stop working, refresh the page on desktop and simply close and reopen YouTube app, or you can also restart your device. Now, another way to fix this problem is opening Play Store on your mobile app, then clicking on search icon and searching for YouTube. Now, click YouTube and here you'll have to click on update icon available just right here. Now, if nothing works, simply hold the YouTube icon on your mobile phone, then click on this icon at the top right, that is eye icon, and you will see this page where you're going to simply scroll down and click on the option that says storage. Once you click the button, you will see this page where you'll have to click clear cache icon at the bottom right. So once you click clear cache button, it will instantly clear temporary cache that will help YouTube to start fresh, and this can instantly fix a problem. So these were the ways through which you can try to fix your YouTube video captions not working. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.